What happens to frequent flyer, miles and travel rewards after divorce? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. When you think about dividing property during a divorce, you probably think about homes, cars, and bank accounts. But frequent flyer miles and travel rewards can also hold significant value, and they're often overlooked. Let's talk about how these rewards are handled during divorce and how you can protect what you've earned. First, know that in California, rewards points and miles earned during the marriage are generally considered community property, even if the account is only in one person's name. That means they can be subject to division just like any other asset. Next, it's important to check the terms and conditions of the airline or rewards program. Some programs allow miles to be transferred between accounts, others restrict transferability. Understanding these rules will help you figure out the best way to divide them. We worked with a client who had thousands of dollars worth of airline miles tied up in a shared credit card program. By negotiating a fair split and transferring what was allowed before finalizing the divorce, they avoided losing value or fighting about it later. At Divorce 661, we help clients think beyond just the obvious property division. We make sure that reward points, airline miles, and loyalty programs are considered and divided fairly as part of the overall settlement. If transferring the miles isn't possible, another solution is to assign a dollar value to the rewards and offset it against other assets. That way, one spouse keeps the points, but the other is compensated through cash or property division. If you're going through a divorce and want to make sure all your assets, including travel rewards, are protected and fairly divided, visit divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll help you cover all the bases and move forward with a clean, complete settlement.